Today, we're diving into pricing strategies, key approaches businesses use to set their prices, and the factors influencing these choices. Skimming pricing. This strategy involves setting a high price at launch, targeting customers willing to pay a premium for a new or unique product. Over time, the price is gradually lowered to attract a broader, price-sensitive audience. Skimming allows companies to maximize profits from early adopters before adjusting for a competitive market. Penetration pricing. With penetration pricing, businesses enter the market with a low price to quickly attract a large customer base and gain significant market share. This can deter competitors due to the low profit margins and build brand loyalty. However, the business must be prepared to sustain low prices initially to establish a strong customer base. Cost-plus pricing. This straightforward approach involves adding a set markup to the production cost, ensuring all costs are covered and a consistent profit margin is achieved. While simple, it doesn't account for external factors like competitor pricing or customer demand, which can impact its effectiveness. Competitor-based pricing. Here, prices are set based on competitors' prices for similar products. Companies may choose to price slightly lower to attract budget-conscious customers or higher to suggest superior quality. This strategy requires regular market analysis to stay relevant and competitive. Psychological pricing. This strategy uses tactics that affect the customer's perception of value. A common example is pricing just below a round number, like 9 instead of 10 saenri, creating the impression of better value. Leveraging customer psychology in this way can increase sales volume by making the product appear cheaper. Factors affecting pricing decisions. Several factors influence how businesses set their prices. Costs. Knowing total production costs ensures prices cover expenses and contribute to profitability. Market demand. Customer demand affects prices. Understanding demand elasticity, how responsive customers are to price changes, can guide pricing adjustments. Competition. Prices must remain competitive with similar products to attract customers without unnecessarily cutting profit margins. Brand positioning. Pricing reflects the brand's place in the market. Premium brands often use higher prices to convey quality, exclusivity, and status. Economic conditions. External factors like inflation and economic health affect consumer spending power, impacting pricing decisions. Regulatory factors. Legal constraints, such as price controls or regulations, ensure compliance and help avoid legal issues. By understanding and applying these diverse pricing strategies, businesses can meet market demands, optimize profits, and maintain competitiveness in a dynamic marketplace.